How are you?
What's up there, guys? What's going on with y'all? Yeah? Ah! 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 Good afternoon here, YouTube people. What is going on with you all today? I'm at my favorite place, the Perimeter Mall. My friend says, that's so boring. Why would you want to be hanging out in the mall all day long? But if you see how many people are in here, and me being a people person, you would understand why I would want to do that. There's all kind of people in here, far and wide. Just anybody and everybody. People after people after people after people after people. It's a beautiful Sunday, and I'm having a wonderful time. Everything's going great, so why not even make it better than it has to be, for real. I was in a forest area earlier today, and I was going through some tree lines, and I noticed a nest. And in the nest was this head, and I seen a cardinal fly up to the nest, and he handed something to the big bird inside. Now the big bird moved up some, and these three red heads all popped up, and it was funny, to see these. It was a cardinal and his wife and three cardinal babies. It was funny seeing it like that. And then I was looking down at the ground, and I seen two chipmunks, Alvin and Simon. I guess Theodore was on vacation or whatever, because just Alvin and Simon came out. Anyways, I was watching them run around. They looked like they were having fun playing around, chasing each other and things like that. And it was just a really special time being alone and seeing nature in that fashion. Sometimes we don't even stop and look at what's going on. We're only concerned with what goes on in our life, and we don't really stop and look at what's going on in other people's lives. And that, yeah, I'm in front of the Farmer's Basket. Got them Asian girls over there. All in all, it's a pretty good time over here, I get to talk with new people, meet new people every day. People come right over here beside me, sit down, have a conversation, and they seem pretty good with it all, and I'm just that way myself. And I got, I don't know, a couple hundred friends that I have met up in here. I mean, I call them friends. They're acquaintances. They're not really friends. But, same thing, different day. Anyways, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what goes on in here. during the daytime, you know. It's Sunday afternoon, and it's like everybody and anybody's up in here with their brothers and sisters and moms and dads, and they even bring their animals up in here, which is another reason why I told the story of the cardinals and that. But yeah, it's a pretty special time, and you know, I like coming here, meeting new people, you know, vibing with people that are pretty much at my level instead of, you know, people that are just real low self-esteem and really not good for my character. I don't mind helping people with low self-esteem if that's what I'm called to do, but usually it's not that case, and they kind of try to force themselves on me, which is not a good deal either. But I hope everybody out there is having a great day. I'm having a wonderful day, and I'll come back with a story probably tomorrow. I'm gonna come back in with the story tomorrow about one of the parables again. Wow, she's a cute girl. I like them glasses. I like the librarian look. It seems to be the great norm these days, you know. The librarian look. She's very pretty. She's very pretty. Anyway, I don't know if you got a chance to see her that well, but she was very pretty. Anyways, I want you to know that I love you. Love yourself. Love God. By all means, love each other, people. Until the next time, love, peace, and soul. And remember this, be just what you is, and not what you is not. Folks, it is what they is the happiest life.